Hey everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome. I need to frog this item, which also means rip it out, rip it, rip it, rip it. And there's a slight halo on this yarn, so I just wanted to show you how I frog yarn that has a little bit of a halo, which is that, let's see, can you see that? Little bit of a fuzz hairiness to it. It tends to snag as you try to frog. So what I do is, okay, so this is how you work your stitches. You go like this direction. So what I'm doing is I'm holding the yarn here with my left hand and I'll be pulling to the left, as opposed to if you try to pull it this way. I find it gets worse if you pull it with my right hand in my case. So I'm going to be pulling it from this way, but what I'm going to be doing is every time I get a snag, I'm going to be putting my finger into the stitch itself to pull it up a little bit to give it some tension, and then it will unsnag easier. That's what I find. All right, let's wait for another snag here. There's a bit of a snag there. You don't want to just pull your yarn really tight because it's going to make it worse, I tell you, from experience. Okay, another snag. Put my finger in there, tighten that stitch with my fingers. Another snag. There we go. Another snag. And don't go quickly, just take your time. I've done many things. I've yanked, and all it does is make it worse. Makes the snag tighten up even more. I didn't think to put my finger in the stitch before, so it would have a hard time letting go of the snag if I don't put my finger in that stitch that I'm trying to pull out. Now, granted, there's not a lot of fuzz on this yarn, but there is enough to make it a little annoying when you need to frog. Now, let's face it. We frog. We do. It's nice when it's clear sailing until it starts to snag again. We're getting up to a chain 2 here, so I want to show you that. Because chains are the worst. When I get to the end of this, which I won't be doing on camera, but when I get to my starting chain, I'll probably cut the chain right off. Oh, that's a nice snag there. There we go. Like, just pull your yarn like that, it'll come off. Now, I don't know about super hairy yarn or super huge halo fuzziness. It may be more difficult to frog. But you can try this method on it. See, this is snagged. Pull it. All right, so I hope this helps someone, and you know, the best thing is to not tug at it really hard. It's going to get worse. That snag is going to really grab on hard, and nobody wants to be cutting their yarn, cutting pieces out. Do they? I don't. All right, thanks everyone for watching, and please like and subscribe and share. I appreciate it all. I appreciate all of you. All right, thanks guys. I'll see you as soon as I can.